What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a little bit of What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's a little different. We got a little dirt bike vlog going on. I got my little nephew right here. We're going riding just because Dino, always growing up, he was never able to go out and go riding with me because I always rode dirt bikes, but he was a little too small. So now he's 11 and he's able to ride his 50 and he rides it pretty good. He's actually better than me when I was 11, so I'm excited to see how he's gonna do out there in the hills. But yeah, that's what we got going on today. Got the bikes back there in the back. Just got some gas. You got anything to say, Dino?
Thanks for watching the video. I know you haven't seen Dino all the time, so what?
It's all good. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see how we do out there. I'm a little rusty myself. I haven't ridden in a minute, so we'll see. You know how to do this, right?
Yeah. Mine's a little full.
It's full already?
Yeah.
No, you can put more.
This
filled?
Yeah. Oh.
It's filled?
Huh?
It's filled already?
Yeah.
That was a whole $1.
What the heck?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Went all the way up there? Oh. We're going up there?
Dino's all ready. You got buckle up your helmet. Get your gloves. I got my bike. Only thing is, I forgot my dang boots. Can't believe I forgot my boots. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. It's all good.
Huh?
Oh. Ready? your back brake mainly. Okay? Go ahead, take your time. Oh, actually, you got anything to say, Dino?
No.
Nothing. What's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Really appreciate it. The GoPro ended up running a little bit short on storage, so that's why the video wasn't that long of the riding clips, but we had fun, we had a good day, and that's all that matters. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching another video. Be sure to give it a like, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool.